Are you really a Rod Wave fan? Well, you need our classic white Rod Wave tumbler. Here I am just placing the lid on the cup along with the sticky bottom. This just prevents the cup from sliding. And each one of our orders does get this along with our tumbler instructions. We're just backing the cup up, and each cup does come with its own box and bow. It does come with stainless steel straws and a brush cleaner, so that's very helpful to kind of get in the nooks and crannies of the straw, and each box does come individually bowed. Each one of our orders does come with a promo card, and this does have a special promo code just for future purchases. You can get extra percentage off. We are bagging the box, and she is all ready to go. Click the link in our TikTok shop, and we do offer next day shipping.